Hello friends, peace be upon you all. Friends, this is a very useful and small software. That is, it is only 2 megabytes of software. Type O&O ShutUp in Google search. And open the first site of O&O ShutUp10. And this is useful for both Windows 10 and 11. It is free anti-spy tool for Windows 10 and 11. And you can download it from here. When you download it, you can see that it is only 2.02 megabytes of software. No need to install it, it's a portable version. Double-clicking on it will open it directly. It has 3 types of actions which are green, yellow and red. If you go to Help and see the short guide, a green switch indicates your privacy is protected. A red switch indicates the Windows settings are in place. I recommend you set green settings. They protect a higher level of privacy without limiting essential functions. Here it will ask you to create a system restore point. And here you have to click on Yes. Yellow settings are somewhat recommended. They protect privacy but under certain conditions may deactivate Windows functions that some users require. Red settings are not recommended because, under certain conditions, they may limit the functionality and security of important Windows components. For example, by deactivating Microsoft Defender if no additional security program is installed. This sets the settings for both the current user and the local machine. You can also view the further information. It is portable version, no installation required. It is free of charge for private users, companies, and educational institutions. It supports all Microsoft Windows 11 and Windows 10. It is available in English, German, French, Italian, Spanish, Russian and Chinese. You can change the language from the Views drop-down menu. This is a small but very useful software. The Actions menu allows you to set multiple settings at one time. By selecting a corresponding action for recommended, somewhat recommended, or even all settings, including the ones not recommended. Select this item when you wish to return all settings back to their original condition. Starting with version 1.3, O&O ShutUp10 follows changes to settings, so that these will be displayed the next time you start the program. Program's latest status will be saved in the CFG file of the O&O ShutUp10 start folder, when the program is closed and then compared at the next start. Select this option if you want to accept the changes that are indicated. System's current status will be the basis for new comparisons when starting the computer in the future. I hope you like this video. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.